I'm hunting the best in town, and today we're in Miami. We'll be going to 3 different taco joints, each offering a unique experience. I asked around with the locals, and these are the top highly recommended.
Sir, what's your favorite taco place?
Discover the quality, textures, and stories behind each taco. Let's kick off our journey at Wolf of Tacos in Wynwood. This authentic street food pop-up is the brainchild of Chef Eduardo Lara, renowned for his traditional Mexican al pastor tacos, with the meat coming from a vertical spit. Eduardo's quest for the perfect taco began in 2020, transforming selling tacos out of his driveway into a thriving pop-up business. After numerous trials and refinements, Eduardo has crafted a recipe that distinguishes his tacos from the rest.
Taco is anything you put in a tortilla. It's very simple. Tacos are the food of the working class in Mexico. It's as honest and pure as that. The ratatouille moment, you know, that bite that transports you back to Mexico. That's why I do what I do.
I love the vibe of street food. It doesn't matter who you are or where you come from, you can come and grab a taco without fail. Customer service was great, and seeing everything that goes on behind the scenes while your taco is being made makes it taste all the better. And since it's located at a brewery, of course I had to stop and get a sour beer to pair with my tacos. They leave out a bunch of different sauces and toppings that you can add as you like, but I want to try them as is, except pickled onions, because, I mean, come on. I got 3 different kinds of tacos: al pastor, costilla, and de longaniza. The tacos are extremely reminiscent from when I've been to Mexico. They are deceptively simple until you take a bite and the meat is smoky and rich. Eating food outside just tastes different. It's like a backyard barbecue with your family.
All right, guys, do not get thrown off that a place is outside. Look at this line. Each bite really did take me back to Mexico. Super authentic.
There tequila in these?
I really want to highlight the meat and the flavors they put specifically in each taco. You can tell Chef Eduardo has so much experience that he's taken the basics and elevated it in such a way that it still feels classic, but tastes amazing. Whew, those are going to be hard to beat, but I can't wait to give it a try.
On to Uptown 66.
All right, we made it to Uptown 66 on 66th Street. Let's try it.
Uptown 66 is owned by Chef Nuno Gurion and Akiro Venigman. Chef Nuno carefully selects the finest ingredients for each dish and prepares everything with meticulous attention to detail, down to hand pressing their own tortillas. Their award-winning birria tacos, which take over 20 hours to cook, are a testament to his dedication. It's also won many outstanding awards, making Uptown 66 an essential stop on our quest for the best tacos in Miami. This was another spot with a line, a promising sign that the food must be good. From the start, the hospitality was great. You order from the front and the food is brought to you, but there were always servers walking around if you need anything. My tacos arrived quickly, so let's give them a try. Starting off with a barbacoa with oxtail, beef cheeks, and short rib.
The texture is insane. You can really tell it's a hand-pressed tortilla. The 3 different meats have so much flavor.
It's comforting, but with the pickled onions, it's light and refreshing.
Damn, to say it's the best taco in the country is definitely a high bar, but pretty much one of the best tacos I've ever had. None of the sauces are needed, trust me, but it does add a little bit of a touch, so let's try the spicy one.
And this is the exact moment my soul left my body.
So we had to try their homemade horchata. Wow, it's the perfect consistency. It's thick without being like suck it out of the straw thick. Now we're gonna try their famous birria tacos. And of course, you have to dip it in consomme. The meat has so much flavor. It's got the crisp outside, and the consomme makes it super, super juicy.
They also had insane churros. Like, so good I had to mention them. But we're here for the tacos.
Wow, Uptown 66, you really impressed me. But I do have room for a little bit more. Let's go to our next spot.
Last but not least, let's head over to La Diosa Taqueria in Calle Ocho.
I don't know if I can eat any more tacos. Just kidding.
La Diosa Taqueria offers handcrafted tacos and authentic Mexican street food, made with the freshest ingredients and traditional cooking techniques. This vibrant restaurant immerses you in the heart of Mexico. La Diosa Taqueria is owned by 3 friends who worked in the industry their whole life, who wanted to take it one step further, and boy did they succeed. Hospitality here is truly exceptional. The servers are incredibly attentive, always on hand if you need anything, and they explain each taco in detail. Since this is our final stop, I decided to go all out and order a plethora of tacos. And because my day is winding down, town, I couldn't resist trying one of their specialty drinks. Or maybe 2 or 3. It's a taco video, and how can I immerse into Mexico without tequila? Now let's talk about these tacos. They are dressed to impress, each one garnished to perfection. The meat is incredibly tender, with the steak practically melting in your mouth. Each taco is bursting with flavor. Okay, now I'm absolutely stuffed. But I can't resist this adorable dessert. I know it's all about the tacos, but this flan with Oreo crumble is the perfect ending. When they pour the mezcal syrup on top, it has that delightful texture of an Oreo dunked in milk.
La Diosa, your tacos are amazing. And the drinks are really good too. A Tuesday full of tacos. Let's taco about it. Which taco place would you guys want to try? And let me know what you guys want to see next. Burgers, falafels, coffee. And remember, always search for the best.